Hey guys, myself here. Welcome back to the channel. Now, in today's video, I wanted to show you how to properly clean your device. Now, over time, obviously, your iPhone, it will get dirty, it will get dusty, it will get fingerprints. If you're eating, it will get smudges. So how do you go about cleaning your iPhone's display, your iPhone's buttons and ports, speakers, and microphones? I'm going to show you my way of doing it, and hopefully these tips will help you keep your iPhone looking like new for as long as possible. iPhones are expensive, so you want to keep this piece of tech looking like new for as long as possible. Now, as always, if you would like to stay up to date with the latest iOS news and Apple software updates, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on those notifications so that you don't miss another episode. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is the exterior, the cameras, the body, and of course, the display. Now, when it comes to display, most people just wipe off their display on their shirts and their pants, and that's a big no, because if you don't have a screen protector, what you're going to do is you're going to create surface scratches, and this will actually make your iPhone not look as good over time. You'll see those little minor surface scratches that over time just look like spider webs on your display. What you want to do is you want to use a microfiber towel. This is what's recommended, just a simple microfiber towel, and wipe away and just clean the display and the outside, the cameras and everything of your iPhone. Simply no liquids, nothing is needed unless you're eating and you get food or something like that, maybe sauces or whatever, fingerprints with food on your iPhone. Then you're gonna need a liquid. Now, the liquid that I'm using recently is this one here, Whoosh, and they're not a sponsor or anything. They did sponsor the channel last year, but the product was so good that I kept on using it. This product here does not contain any ammonia or alcohol, and that's important because if you use anything with ammonia or alcohol, so the household products like Lysol or anything like Windex, to clean your display, you're actually going to remove a coating that's an anti-fingerprint coating on your iPhone. And then over time, your iPhone's not going to look as good. The display quality is not going to be as good, obviously. So you want to use something with no ammonia and no alcohol. I use this product here, as I mentioned. I just spray it a little on a microfiber towel and just simply clean my device. But this is only if I have things like food or sauces or anything like that on the display or on the cameras of the iPhone. But if I don't have anything, just fingerprints and just daily fingerprints on my phone, I just wipe away with no liquids or anything, and the iPhone looks good as new. But yeah, those are the tips to clean outside your phone, your display, your cameras, the body of your iPhone. Again, any liquid that does not contain ammonia, even water will work if you spray it on a microfiber towel to clean your display. Try not to use your pants or your shirt, because over time you'll get those surface scratches and you're not going to like the way your iPhone's display and glass is going to look. Now, when it comes to the lightning port, of course the lightning port may get some lint in there, maybe some debris, some dust, maybe sand if you go to the beach. How do you clean the port on your iPhone, the lightning port? Well, I recommend that you use a plastic toothpick and never use a metal tool to clean this port. You don't want to do that. You want to use a plastic tool. Again, by putting your iPhone in your pocket, if you have jeans, you can get lint in there, and all you have to do is simply just clean away. It's simple as that. You just gotta kind of go in there and clean away. See some of the lint that may get in there from your pants. If you're at the beach, as I mentioned, sand can get in there, maybe dust can get in there. Never use anything metal. Keep in mind, you want to go ahead and make sure you use something that's plastic so it doesn't cause any issues with the actual port in there. And if you have a spray, like an air compressed spray like this one, you can spray it off as well. That's something you can do as well, again, but that's only if you go out to like the beach and get some sand in there, maybe some dust and dirt, you dropped it in the ground or something like that, you can spray it off. But to clean the port itself, I would recommend a plastic toothpick. And for the mute switch as well, you want to move it back and forth and just kind of get in there with the toothpick, just like so, and then just spray it off as well if you wish to do so. If you have compressed air, as I mentioned, just kind of just blow it out just like so. Now, when it comes to the speaker grill, like the earpiece and the speakers and microphone, for this, I used a soft bristle brush. Now, it needs to be a soft bristle brush. Now, this one here, I'll try to link it in the description, is a package that I actually bought to clean AirPods, and it came with this soft bristle brush. But you can also use like a toothbrush, like a dollar toothbrush from the dollar store, and just kind of get in there and get all the debris from inside of the speakers and just kind of soften it out, in the microphone as well. And one thing that I've noticed that you can do after you do that is grab some tape. If there's a lot like dust and dirt in there, go ahead and grab a piece of tape after you go ahead and use the brush, and with the piece of tape, just kind of dab into the speakers and also the microphone, and this will collect any additional dust, and it will actually go ahead and get attached to the tape itself, and you'll be able to make those speakers and microphone look good as new. Now, same thing applies for the earpiece right here. So the iPhone 13 has a small earpiece. Just kind of go in there just like so, grab a small piece of tape, just kind of go over top just like so, and then just clean it off. You want to be very, very careful. The reason I say you need a soft bristle brush, if I don't know if you can tell, but the speakers, of course, and the microphones in the earpiece have a small mesh in there that if you poke it hard enough, you may break it, and you don't want to do that, obviously. So you want to use the soft bristle brush, just kind of get in there, and then just kind of dab it with a piece of tape just to kind of collect any additional dust, and that will be collected right on the tape. Very easy, very simple tips. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope this helps you keep your iPhone looking good as new for many years. Again, these are expensive products. You want to make it look really nice. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.